Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to knit this beautiful border. You can use this border in any sweaters, ladies cardigans, shawls, caps, baby blankets, baby shawls, baby frocks. From backside it looks like this. For this border we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches and plus 2 stitches for border. For demonstration I have taken 18 stitches, 4 4 4 4 times 16 stitches and plus 2 stitches for border. I have knitted 6 rows of base row. From front side of first, third and fifth row all knit stitches, and from wrong side second, fourth and sixth row all purl stitches. So let us start now. First slip edge stitch and then knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. Now twist left needle like this and continue knitting. Knit 4 stitches, second repeat pattern. After 4 knit stitches, again repeat same procedure. Again knit 4 stitches and then twist left needle like this. Give a twist and knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. After 4 stitches, again twist left needle like this and knit remaining 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4 and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our border. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends.